Hi everybody, today's topic is bar graph. First we will know that what is bar graph. Bar graph means that is the representation of the data in the graph paper. Representation some data in the graph paper, that is called bar graph in the form of bar. When we will represent the data in the form of bar on the graph paper, that is called bar graph. Now I am showing. Suppose this is, I have taken this, these are called the axis. This is OX and this is OY. This is X axis, this is Y axis. This is Y axis. Now here, suppose some numerical data given. I will represent this data by bars on the graph paper. Suppose this type of. Then this total formation is called bar graph because I am representing the data in the form of bar on the graph paper. That is called bar graph. These are the axis, X axis, this is Y axis. Now one thing you have to remember, the width of the bar will be same. That width of the bar, each bar width will be same. And the distance between one bar to another bar, that means from here to here, the distance will be also same. This distance will be also same. And from 0 to this distance also be same. So some rules we have to follow when we will draw the bars on the graph paper. First we have to, I repeat once again, first we have to draw axis on the graph paper. After that we have to see the numerical data. What type of numerical data there is given? That we have to represent in the form of bar. Here the width of the bar will be same and the distance between two bar, that means from here to here the distance and here to here the distance and here to here the distance will be same. This is called single bar. Here I have drawn here single bar, that is single bar. Now I am taking one example, then you can understand properly this one. Here I have taken an example, that is subject English, Maths, Science and SST, and marks I have taken 9, 7, 8 and 5 out of 10. Now I will represent this data on the graph paper. Suppose this is graph paper. Graph paper I think you have seen everybody. Graph paper. So here the marks are given out of 10. That is 9, 7, 8, 5. This marks out of 10 a student got. Okay. Then here we have to take the divisions. That means from 10 boxes 0 to 10. Here 10 boxes means 1 unit. Then here again 10 box, 10 small box, 10 small division. This is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is 9 and this is 10. Now here in English the marks is 9. So here this is 10 box, 10 box, 10 box, okay. Now just first from 0 to first one line, here the distance is 10 box, that means 10 small division is there. So here I am taking the difference from 0 to this 10 small box. So here I am drawing the bar, that means first 9 means here is 9. So here we have to take the measurement, that means by scale you have to draw it. By scale pencil, this is 9. Then the width of the bar will be also 10 small boxes. That means 10 small division. So this is for English. Then maths, again 10 boxes I leave. Then for maths, I'll take 7. That means this is 7. This is. Then again the width of the bar will be same. That means 10 boxes. This is maths. Next science. Science 8 boxes. That means here will be it. By scale, I repeat once again. By scale and pencil, you have to draw everything. This is science. Then SST is 5. 5 is here. That means here it will be. This is for SST. Then we can shade it. This will be also drawn by pencil. So this graph is almost completed. Here for English the bar is up to 9, Maths 7, Science 8 and SST 5. So this is single bar. See here the distance between two bars are same. 10 boxes I left here. Here also 10 boxes I left. Here also 10 boxes I left, and here also. And the width of the bar are same also. 10 boxes I have taken. And one more thing, here you have to write unit. That means scale. Scale you have to write must. That is must. Scale means here to here. That is 1 unit. 1 unit equal to 1 marks. That means 1 unit means 10 small division are here. So if millimeter graph you will use, and then 1 centimeter equal to 1 mark. 1 centimeter because 10 small box, that is 1 centimeter, because we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Here that's why I have taken 1 centimeter, because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter we know. So 10 boxes are here. If this is millimeter graph, then 10 boxes means 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 mark. 1 mark here I put 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 1 mark. Next one example I want to give for double bar. Double bar graph, how to draw. This before one I discussed about single bar graph. Single bar graph means what? One numerical letter given for subject. Each subject one time given numerical letter. When it will be put in the on the graph paper, that is single bar. But here if I will take, this is term 1 exams, city 1, this is city 1 and this is city 2. Full marks will be same, that is 10, and the marks are, suppose this is 7, this is 9, this is 6 and this is 8. So this will be the marks. Here for city 1 marks is there, city 2 marks is there. Then we have to draw, but for same subjects, English, Math, Science, SST. So for English 9 and 7 the marks are. Next we have to draw the graph. Here also I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 mark. That scale must you have to give. Next, first English, 10 boxes I left in the left side. Then 9, first one is 9. Okay, then CT2 in English 7 marks is there. So 7 means this one. So here no need to leave any box for English. For CT1 and CT2, This whole part for English, whole marks for English one student got. Okay, that is completed. Next for maths. Here I leave 10 boxes. Then for maths, first one is 7 marks. First city, 7 marks got. This will be drawn by scale. Then for city 2 got 9. This is then science, 8 marks for city 1. Then for city 2, 6 marks. Then SST for city 1, this is 5 marks. This is for maths. This is for science. This is for SST. Five marks. And city 2, that is 8 marks. This is SST marks. Now for city 1, I will give here this type of for city 1. This type of design I have given for the city 1 bars. Next for city 2, another type of design we have to give, that is suppose dot dot. This is for city 2 marks. Here we have to mention that marks city 1 marks for city 2. Now the sum is completed. Drawing is almost completed. This is subject and this side is for marks. This is the representation for double bar graph. Here scale also will be same, 1 centimeter equal to 1 mark. 1 centimeter means 10 small division, that is 1 centimeter.